Let us go through the question together. Find the area enclosed by the curve y is equal to x squared minus 3x plus 4 and the positive values of x and y axis between the line x is equal to 1 and x is equal to 5 using 4 trapezia. When estimating the area under the curve using trapezium rule, the first thing we do is to calculate the height, and for us to get the height, we take the maximum value of x, which is 5, minus the minimum value of x, which is 1. We divide by the number of trapezia, and in this case we have 4 trapezia. If you take 5 minus 1, you get 4. 4 divided by 4, you get exactly 1 unit. Having gotten the height, come and develop a table. Develop a table having the values of x as our height and also the values of y, which serve as the width. Having developed the table, we begin with the minimum value of x, and in this case the minimum value of x is 1. To get the next value of x, we take the minimum, we add the height, which is 1. So if you take 1 plus 1, you get 2. Then to get the next, we take 2, we add the height, which is 1. We are going to get 3. Then from 3, you add the height, the next value is going to be 4. And then take 5, you add 1, which is the height. You are going to get 5. We stop there because we are supposed to estimate the area between the value of x is 1 and the value of x is equal to 5. Having done that now, we can take the values of x and substitute them in this function, which is y is equal to x squared minus 3x, you add 4. Let me show you how you can substitute that using a calculator. And when the value of x is 1, the value of y will be equal to, we have 1 squared minus, we have 3, we multiply by the value of x, which is 1, we add 4, and the value of y when x is 1 will be 2. Next, we can substitute the value of x, which is 2, in the main function. So we will be having 2 squared minus 3 into the value of x, which is 2. We add 4, and in this case the value of y is going to be 2. If we substitute the value of x, which is 3, so we will be having 3 squared minus 3 into the value of x, which is 3. We add 4, and the next value of y will be 4. When x is 4, we substitute it in the function, so we will be having the value of x, which is 4. 4 is squared minus 3 into the value of x, x is 4. We add 4, and the value of y is going to be 8. Lastly, the value of x is 5. If we substitute 5 into the main function, we shall be having 5 squared minus 3 into the value of x, which is 5. We add 4, and in this case the value of y is going to be 14. The value of y is 14. Once we have the values of y, we can number them, where the first value of y is given y0, the next one is y1, y2, y3, and y4. Now we can get the area. Area of this area by trapezium rule will be given by half h into the sum of the ends, which is y0, plus y4, then plus twice the sum of the middles, and in this case the middles are y1. We add y2 plus y3. Now we can substitute our figures. This will be half times h, and our h is 1 unit, into y0 is 2. We add y4, which is 14, plus twice into y1 is 2, plus y2 is 4, plus y3, which is 8. We move down, we shall be having half into the ends, which is y0 plus y4 will be 2 plus 14, which is 16, then plus twice into the sum of the middles, and our middles are 2 plus 4, which is 6. 6 plus 8, you get 14. We move down, we shall be having half into, we have 16 plus 2 times 14 will give us 28, and this one is going to be equal to half. We multiply by the sum of the two, which is 16 plus 28, will give us 44. So this will be half times 44, and if you take half, you multiply by 44, this one will be equal to 22, and this is the area of this region, which is given in square units. Thank you for watching and welcome to this channel. And in case you haven't subscribed, please take a second or two and click that subscribe button.